think those are the winners. Dang it, man, that's sweet.
Why is it so loud over here? Dang it, it's Saturday. People are trying to rest.
Welcome to Jesse's Chop Shop, where your neighbors come over and get custom exhaust work done by you. Today I've got my neighbor Ted coming over. We're gonna try and make his Chevy truck sound meaner. I got some old mufflers from the Mustang that I didn't use, so we're gonna install them on his. Let's see if he'll give us a little rev. Will you rev it up? Not bad, that's a before, so we'll have to change it out and see if we can make this a little bit louder. What's up, Ted?
Hey.
Welcome to Jesse Does It.
I'm glad to be here.
Hope you don't mind being filmed. All right, so let's take a look at what we got that we're gonna replace. So these are just, you know, stock mufflers. True dual all the way up. His cats are before there, and then true dual post. But we're gonna take these out, swap them with the high flow mufflers, and then put turn downs right here to see how he likes it. If he does not like the turn downs, then eventually we'll put new tailpipes in. But today's gonna be basically a muffler swap and turn downs. So we're gonna cut that out right now and then get going on the install. All right, so Ted cut them out. We got this out. So this is what we had. Somebody did a pretty decent job at a muffler shop bending this and making it. They didn't use a prefab kit. They actually made the bends and stuff, and true dual coming out. But it's been how many years, Ted?
Since this was done?
Yeah.
I was that way when I bought it probably 7 years ago.
So it's 8+ years old, so it's time for a little bit of refreshing. And these mufflers, like I said, they're just generic little Chinese mufflers. So let's throw some JBA mufflers in there instead. But you know you want to hear it. Let's hear the sound of no mufflers. And go ahead. Oh, listen to that Chevy 350 Ron, baby.
I work here.
So we cut off his exhaust. I've had to make a couple sleeves, reducers, and we're gonna weld that on, and then the mufflers, and we're gonna try out 2 different mufflers, see which ones sound better. So we're gonna go ahead and get this welded, and then we're gonna do a little sound test. All right, so first up is the JBA mufflers. Let's see how these sound. It's not bad. Once he got on it, had some sound to it. Definitely deeper at idle too. And next up is Tom's Refurb's Speedy Snaps. I think those are the winners. Dang it, man, that's sweet. Oh, that's crazy. That's so much cooler. What'd you think, Ted?
Those sound pretty good. Not bad at all.
That's a huge difference. That's crazy. Oh, I think that's the route we gotta go.
Let's do it.
So we're almost done with the exhaust. We're doing a couple of little revs and seeing how it sounds. Oh, hey, what's going on?
Well, not much. Why is it so loud over here? Dang it, it's Saturday. People are trying to rest.
Are you really?
Do you ever give it a break?
Guys, I think I'm in trouble. I gotta go. All right, so we're all done here. We got our turn downs, we got our hangers, Speedy Snaps. Uh-oh, it's upside down. And we're gonna fire it up and see how it sounds. I think it sounds great. Let's see how he likes it.
Yeah, sounds real nice.
Yeah, we'll have to get you driving down the street too a couple times.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, we'll take it for a rip.
Let's do it.
Let's go for a ride.
It's pretty quiet right now.
It's got a good little rumble.
Yeah. That's my only concern if it's going to be.
No, this is, I
Obnoxious
think
in-
because you still have the cats up there. What do you have, 4 cats? Or is it just 2 cats?
I think there are 2 on each one.
I think there's 4 cats still up there. It really kept it pretty mellow.
Yeah, this sounds good.
Now this has the 5.3 or the 5.7 in it?
Yeah.
5.7.
Last year, the actual 350.
350, so it's a 5.7.
Last year.
Yep.
True 350.
Before they went to the LS.
Yep.
All right, let's see how it sounds. I think it's perfect.
It's perfect.
It is.
mean,
Those other
it's-
ones were a little quiet.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah, it sounds good, but it's not like obnoxious.
No, not at all. And I usually turn right up at the.
I'm gonna turn around here and I put
Okay.
come right back the same way. That'll get.
Sounds good. It's not too loud. I'm
It's not,
surprised.
It's not.
I really thought those would be a lot louder. I think that's like the perfect enough. Like,
I
you
do
know?
too.
Yeah.
I think the turn downs do a little something to it.
Uh-huh. Sitting here at idle, you can tell it's got a little rumble to it. It's not obnoxious on the interstate. I think you're barely even gonna hear it, especially with the windows up.
Right.
Yeah. Haha, that's cool. Yeah, those JBA mufflers would have been too quiet.
I think you're right.
Wouldn't have heard
I
much
would've
of it.
been like, we did all
It's the
that
same
for
thing,
this. Once we stuck these on, it was like, that's
Yeah.
it.
It sounds good. Yeah, that's the right sound. That's what we were looking for. All right, job well done. That was pretty fun. Got to help a neighbor out and make his truck sound so much cooler. So I appreciate him letting me do that. Glad I can give him those mufflers and make that work for him. I'm pretty happy with it, and so is he. So as always, I am Jesse with Jesse Does It. Till the next project. Bye.